guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to test out this 8-inch brush cutter by Ryobi. This is part of their expanded system, and I picked this up at Home Depot a couple days ago for $69. You simply disconnect this weed whacker right here, and you connect the brush cutter, and you're ready to go. I did a full review of this weed whacker in a video that I posted last week. I'll link that in the description down below. So after this video, be sure to check that one out. So I've already gone into detail in other videos about how much I love this 40-volt platform by Ryobi. So today we're really just going to focus on this brush cutter. I have some thick brush and weeds that are in a ditch and on a bank in here, and it's a little more than this weed whacker can handle. So today we're going to find out if this brush cutter is up to that task. And if you stay tuned to the end of this video, we'll take this thing out to the garden and we'll see what else it can cut. Maybe some corn stalks for our Halloween decorations. Well, enough talk, let's get this thing unboxed. Okay, so here's what comes in the box. We have a strap here. I already have a strap for that weed whacker, which I don't use, so I don't really need that. We have the instructions in the manual here. This is a hanger that you hook onto the post for the strap, which I don't need also. This little guy here is a hanger for the tool. I don't know if you can see that, but we just gonna snap it in and then you can hang the tool up when it's not in use. Kind of handy, I'll definitely use that. This is an extra handle. I don't think I need it. The tool already has a handle on it, so I'm not really sure why they sent this. If I decide I need it, I'll hook it on there. And then this little rod, I had to look in the directions for this. This locks the head, so if you want to loosen or tighten this bolt right here that holds the cutter head on there, that locks the shaft for that, so you can do that. So I'll be using that for sure. And then this is the tool itself. Has a 3-prong blade, and it's not sharp, it's dull, it's flat, square edges. So we'll see how that works. And it does say in the instructions that it's reversible. So I guess if one side gets worn out, you can flip it over the other way and use the other side. So we'll see how it works. Let's get it hooked up. So to connect and disconnect tools on this expanded system, you just loosen this knob right here and push in this button and remove the tool. And then you place the new one in, snap the button in place, and tighten it back up. It's that easy. Let's go ahead and get this done. So we'll loosen this up, push the button in, and disconnect the weed whacker. Okay. Oh, there's other holes here so you can rotate these around. I didn't know that. Okay. So we want this to be flat like the weed whacker, so put that in. Snap it into place, tighten that, it's ready to go. Very easy. So this ditch and bank in here is about 200 feet long. It goes from the road there all the way down there, and it's filled with goldenrod, raspberry bushes, whatever these are, some kind of a woody shrub, a few small trees in there, some grass and weeds. So the goal is to clear this all out today. Let's see if this will do the job. I finished it up. It's done. It did take 2 batteries. I was about halfway through and I ran out the battery, but this stuff was thick, especially down on this end. Some of the stuff was 1/2 or 3/4 of an inch, but it cut through it really well. That's what it's designed for. It cuts that stuff great. Goldenrod, raspberry bushes, all those little shrub bushes, whatever the heck they are, don't know. Cuts them great. I came through a second time after I picked up the big stuff and I mulched everything up a little bit. Down on this side here, it was more grass, and it's not as good for that. I still cut it, but every once in a while it'll get wound around the blade and you'll have to take the battery out so you don't cut your fingers off and pull the grass off the blade. But yeah, 2 batteries, still about half left in the second battery. And this is altogether probably 6-7 feet wide, and it's about 200 feet long. So yeah, it works real well. Let's go see if it'll cut some corn down in the garden. Well, I think the bottom line is this thing works really good. It took that corn down like nothing. Last year I used some loppers and came and cut all the corn down. We use it for our Halloween decorations after we're done picking our corn. Hey, this thing works really good. I wouldn't hesitate to buy this attachment. Like I said, it was $69. These Ryobi 40-volt tools, they work really well. If you want to see a great pole saw video, check it out right here. Thanks for watching.